Good afternoon, my viewers. I hope you have solved some examples on quadratic equation using the latest method. I want to use this opportunity to solve two more questions for you so that it, maybe the two questions can build your confidence on how to attempt more questions. Question number one is 3x squared plus 13x plus 10 equals to 0. So how do I solve this using the latest method? Good. I'm going to go to the coefficient of x where I have plus 13. So I'm going to have, I put minus plus 13 over 2. So I'm going to have minus 13 over 2, which I count as my line of symmetry. So I bring minus 13 over 2 plus u, then minus 13 minus 13 minus 13 over 2 minus u equals to 3 times 10, this 3, and 10, 3 times 10, which is 30. So if I open the bracket, I'm going to have 169 over 4 minus u squared equals to 30. I'll collect like time. I bring 30 to this side. I have 169 over 4 minus 30 over 1 equals to u squared. Good. So I can find the LCM of this. This will be 169 minus 120 equals to u squared. Then this will give me 49 over 4 equals to u squared. So if I find square root of both sides, u squared will be equals to plus or minus square root of 49 over 4, which is 7 over 2. So I can now put the value of my u. No, this is u give us this, not u squared. Good. So I have 7 over plus or minus 7 over 2 here. Plus or minus 7 over 2. So I will substitute it into this. So let's go to the next page and do that. Minus 13 over 2 plus 7 over 2. So I have minus 13 over 2 plus 7 over 2. That's minus 6 over 2. That gives us minus 3. Then minus 13 over 2 minus 7 over 2 will give us minus 20 over 2, which is minus 10. Now, after getting our answer, we are going to divide it by the coefficient of a square. Divide by coefficient of a square. Divide by coefficient of x squared. Divide by coefficient of x squared, which is a. Now, let's look at what I'm talking about. This is the coefficient of x squared. This 3x squared. So I'm going to divide everything by 3. I'm going to divide this by 3. So minus 3 over 3, comma, minus 10 over 3. So my answer is going to be minus 1 or minus 10 over 3. Minus 10 over 3 minus 10 over 3. Good. This is how to solve using the latest method. The final answer should be divided by the coefficient of x squared. In my previous video, the coefficient of x squared is the coefficient of x squared was 1. So dividing by 1 does not change anything. That was why I never bothered to state that. So I solved another question here too. You can try this on your own and see if you are going to get to the same results. Thank you very much for watching this.